Come and join us on April 27th for the Southeast Art and Soul Festival happening at the Southeast Community Center. This is a free family-friendly event celebrating the rich art and music contributions within Bayview Hunters Point. Explore unique art pieces and indulge in delicious treats from local vendors. You can also groove to live music performances by Martin Luther McCoy, Danny Offline, Nate the Soul Singer, Anika Evans featuring Calvary Hill Celebration Choir, Antoine Davis is our Master of Ceremonies, and many more. Don't miss out on this opportunity to experience the Southeast Art and Soul Festival, a celebration of creativity and unity. See you there.